In today's video, I am doing a kitchen reset to get my week off to a good start. Stay tuned. I always feel like preparation is the key to a successful week, so I like to spend some time resetting rooms in my home and preparing for the week ahead, which is what I am doing today in the kitchen. This video is a collaboration hosted by one of my dear friends here on YouTube. Her name is Angel. Her channel name is Mom Life Angel, and I am going to link her channel along with a playlist of some of my other YouTube friends who are participating in this collaboration. We are just doing a reset of something in our home. It might be our entire home. It might be just a room as I am doing, but we are getting ready for the week ahead and bringing you lots of motivation.
I will get close to your heartache if you want to open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. I'm here. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
Sometimes I have to force myself to do this because, let's be honest, it's not always easy, but I do love to prep my vegetables at the beginning of the week and fruits and any produce that I have so that it is easy to get into the refrigerator or wherever I store it and grab it, and I do not have to worry about washing and cutting it and prepping it and all of that good stuff.
Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight, and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. Please don't take this the wrong way. I'm on your side through the worst days. I just have to say I miss my best friend, seeing her smile. Still, I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight, and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays.
If you are new to my channel, I'm going to take just a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a heart warrior and a former teacher, and I would love for you to become part of my growing YouTube family. To subscribe, it's completely free. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button and make sure that the bell notifications are turned on so that you receive a notification each and every time that I post. For those of you returning, I want to thank you guys so much for being part of my YouTube family and for spending part of your day with me. I know that today is this Sunday reset hosted by my friend Angel. Next week, I will be back with my 100 Days to a Cleaner Home challenge, and I cannot wait to show you what I have in store in my primary bedroom, so make sure to stay tuned for that.
Stop, just hold on a minute. This part is nearly finished. You'll get a fresh start. So count to 10, take a deep breath. This is the only way you'll ever find out that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. It won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sunday.
Sometimes in the kitchen or even in any other room, it feels so good just to take everything out and to clean those surfaces and put everything back and just reset and have everything looking so nice and fresh for the week.
Took a blow, turned a cheek. Those lessons cut me deep. I've never been the same. Painted bright or monotone, deep splashes of black. In pain the contrast grows. Make a masterpiece of mess. Even unknown can be saved if the fog the truth, black and white. Took years to untie the bondage of those lies. They're confused, call me lost. I've never been more free. I've never seen so clear. There is life outside the lies. We're diverse and divide. Sit with self and start to build. Learn to thrive. Find the light inside of you. Follow warmth and see it through. Throw more candle on the fire. Go ahead, trust yourself. Find the light inside of you. Follow warmth, see it through. Throw more candle on the fire. Go ahead, trust yourself. Trust yourself.
I just want to thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. Your love and support means more to me than you will ever know, and I would love for you guys to leave me a comment. I am going to play just a little bit more music to finish out this video. I'm trying to find soothing, relaxing Sunday music, and it was raining on this particular afternoon as I cleaned, so I was kind of mellow, but once again, I just love you guys all so much, and I thank you so much for your love and support, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
I will get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it